I think it was about
Republic Day.
it was about Republic Day. Okay.
I think so,
Huh? You did this chapter?
కనిపిస్తుందా?
but I didn't listen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see. First, I will understand. Swatantrata Divas is Independence Day. No.
Can we start?
Ah. Okay. Start.
डायरी का एक पन्ना।
Okay.
26 जनवरी, आज का दिन तो अमर दिन है। आज
So it's talking about the Republic Day, and it is one page written by Sitaram. What is his name? Yeah, Sitaram, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is his written work, and it's one of the page from his diary, Diary Ka Ek Panna. So this
Yeah.
is talking about the incident which took place on 26th January 1931, the
Oh.
Republic Day.
Okay.
आज का दिन तो अमर दिन है, that means a memorable day or
Okay.
immortal day. Yeah, it's a memorable day. आज का दिन तो अमर दिन, it's a memorable day. So let's see why is it a memorable day.
ओके। आज के ही दिन सारे हिंदुस्तान में स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया गया था।
So on this day they are celebrating the Republic Day all over Hindustan.
ऑल ओवर इंडिया।
Yeah.
और इस वर्ष भी उसकी पुनरावृत्ति थी, जिसके लिए काफी तैयारियां पहले से की गई थी।
So when did we when did they draft the constitution? It's 1930, right? So
Yeah.
this is after that. So the next year. So they're
Okay.
telling आज का वर्ष भी उसकी पुनरावृत्ति. That means it's a repeated day. Already it's a 1930 लो चल गई. So it is a second time. So पुनरावृत्ति is like again. जिसके लिए काफी तैयारी पहले से की गई है. So they have arranged lots of things to celebrate this day. काफी तैयारी means काफी arrangements. Yeah.
गत वर्ष अपना हिस्सा बहुत साधारण था, इस वर्ष जितना अपने दे सकते थे दिया था।
So before year they did not celebrate it that grandly. It was very simple. गत वर्ष means the before year अपना हिस्सा बहुत साधारण था. So the celebrations from our side is very less. इस वर्ष जितना अपने दे सकते थे दिया था. So this year whatever they could do their best they were.
I didn't understand the first one.
See, गत वर्ष अपना हिस्सा बहुत साधारण था. So that means the before year, that means 1930 में जो भी celebrations हुए थे वो बहुत ही साधारण था, यानी कि बहुत ही simple था.
Okay.
लेकिन इस वर्ष जितना अपने दे सकते थे दिया. So this year they tried to make it more grand and they gave their 100% towards it.
Okay.
केवल प्रचार. Yeah.
Oh yeah, केवल
अपने दे सकते. That means this year how much ever they could do they had to give it that way.
केवल प्रचार में 2000 रुपया खर्चा किया गया था।
So what is prachar? It's like, you know, publicity chedam person, they spent 2000 rupees. Okay, so prachar मतलब एक publicity करने के लिए उन्होंने 2000 रुपए खर्च की है. So at that point of time 2000 was huge amount.
Yeah.
So they spent 2000 for publicity.
No, for public or publicity?
I think so for
प्रचार
public.
It's
करने
given
के लिए
केवल
मतलब
प्रचार for public.
Prachar is like to inform them about all of this. It's like public. It's not public. यानी कि उसको सबको बताने के लिए. It's like I think it's like, you know, they spent that amount for publicity so that everyone will know
Means
about
to
all of
everyone to know, get to know
Yeah.
that they are celebrating.
Okay. सारे काम का भार अपने समझते थे अपने ऊपर है, और इसी तरह जो कार्यकर्ता थे उनके घर जाकर समझाया था.
So this time they felt that it's their responsibility and they considered all of that work to be as their burden. Okay, so do you
Means
understand
सारे
that?
काम
Like,
का भार का मतलब क्या है?
so the burden of all the work,
Okay.
or the responsibility of all the work they had in arrangements and all of that, they felt it's their work.
నాకు ఒక డౌట్, ఇది చాలా సిల్లీ డౌట్. ఇది మీన్స్ ఇప్పుడు అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ గురించి చెప్తుంది ఈ ఇయర్ మీన్స్ 1931 లేకపోతే 1930?
1931.
31. ఓకే.
So they felt that all their responsibility is theirs. Okay.
ఓకే. యా.
और इसी तरह जो कार्यकर्ता थे उनके घर जा जाकर समझाया था. So कार्यकर्ता are the workers basically. Okay, so they went to house and they made them understand that all the responsibility they are ready to take and all of that.
Okay.
सारे काम का बार अपने समझते थे. So they told, I mean they felt कि वो हमारी responsibility है, हमारा काम.
बड़े बाजार के प्रायः मकानों पर राष्ट्रीय झंडा फहरा रहा था और कई मकान तो ऐसे सजाए गए थे कि ऐसा मालूम होता था कि मानो स्वतंत्रता मिल गई हो. Is my voice fine?
So yeah, it is
Okay.
fine. So बड़े बाजार, so it is the big market of बड़े बाजार. हाँ, मकानों मतलब जो घर हैं, उस एरिया में जितने भी घर हैं, उस पर राष्ट्रीय झंडा फहरा रहा था. So they hoisted the
मकानों అంటే
national
shops
flag.
కదా?
Yeah, makan, it could be house, shop, anything.
Okay.
ఓకే.
But so they hoisted, you can say, the national flag, राष्ट्रीय झंडा फहरा रहे थे. That means it was like flying लगा. और कई मकान तो ऐसे सजाया गया थे कि ऐसे मालूम होता कि so they even decorated their houses or the shops and all. So when if someone would see all those decorations and the flag, it felt as if we already got independence.
Yeah.
We didn't get it yet, right? We got it in 1947. But the way they all decorated and जो भी सजावट थी उसे देख के ऐसा लगा कि हमें स्वतंत्रता मिल गई.
ఓకే.
Understood?
Yeah. कलकत्ते के प्रत्येक बाग में ही झंडे लगाए गए थे.
So in the main places, I mean like प्रत्येक बाग मतलब every park basically. कलकत्ता के प्रत्येक बाग में ही झंडा
कलकत्ते
लगाया.
అంటే
कलकत्ता place.
कलकत्ते.
हाँ, कलकत्ता is Calcutta only.
Okay.
हाँ, సేమ్.
So they placed flags. Okay.
Bagh means place, right?
Yeah, बाग means part or place. Here it means place, but actually you can say शरीर का भाग मतलब शरीर का हिस्सा, part.
Okay. Every place they put those flags.
झंडे लगाए गए थे in Kolkata. That time they used to call it Kolkata. Right? So,
जिस रास्ते से मनुष्य जाते थे उसी रास्ते में
उत्साह
और नवीनता मालूम होती थी.
So the path or the area to which people used to walk, right? So there was a huge amount of enthusiasm or enjoyment, excitement. उत्साह मतलब excitement. Yeah, or enthusiasm. Or नवीनता is like a newness. Okay, कुछ नया सा.
For new start also.
Yeah, it's like a new start with lots of excitement. सब कुछ दिखता था. So the way people were so excited, it just seemed as if there's something new and something excited.
Okay. लोगों का कहना था कि ऐसी सजावट पहले नहीं हुई. It never happened like this before.
Yeah, this kind of decorations or this kind of arrangements never happened.
पुलिस भी अपनी पूरी ताकत से शहर में गश्त देकर प्रदर्शन कर रही थी.
One second.
पुलिस सब पुलसी है.
Police.
It's talking about police.
Okay.
1 second, something happened to my screen. Just a second. Okay, it's fine now. Can you read from first again? I didn't hear.
पुलिस भी अपनी पूरी ताकत से शहर में गश्त देकर प्रदर्शन कर रही थी.
So they
What
were
they were
also
presenting.
performing and all over the city.
गश्त
पुलिस भी
देकर
कर-
का मतलब क्या?
हाँ?
गश्त
Means पूरा
देकर.
दम लगा के.
Yeah, with their full
Yeah, with
Energy.
Okay.
Okay.
प्रदर्शन कर रही थी में
Pradarsan is like performing.
Performing.
performing what?
That they did in machine.
Yeah, exactly. They even take place, right? They do march past, all of that. So it could be something one of it.
I think so. March past or they
Yeah,
parade.
even I feel it's march past.
Because during this,
Because police do that, they don't dance.
Yeah.
Yeah. मोटर
I did motor car.
मोटर लारियों में गोरखे तथा सार्जेंट प्रत्येक मोड़ पर तैनात थे. कितनी ही लारियां शहर में घुमाई जा रही थी.
what is the meaning of that?
गोरखे का मतलब
मोटर लारियों में गोरखे तथा सार्जेंट प्रत्येक मोड़ पर तैनात ఏమన్నా? ఇక్కడికి వస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకురా ఇక్కడ అక్కడికి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి సరే ఉండిపో ఓకే సో मोटर कार में I mean yeah. So what is goalgate
Motor
you're asking?
lorry.
So I think Ghariam Gorka, okay, it's like a kind of people, I think. They're kind of people.
Not getting.
It's like
गोरखे అంటే
Gorkhas are kind of people.
Okay. You just
Yeah.
explain the whole line.
तैनात का मतलब क्या है?
In
प्रेजेंट
Hindi,
दे रहा. तैनात तैनात
They not so.
Yeah, वहाँ मौजूद थे. present.
ओके.
See, I searched on Google. It says they are the soldiers of South Asia.
Okay.
Native to South Asia of Nepalese nationality. Recruited for the British Army.
Okay.
So they are
Okay.
some kind of people.
Even sergeant, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
गोरखा तथा सार्जेंट प्रत्येक मोड़ पर तैनात थे. कितनी भी लहरियां शहर में घुमाई जा रही थी. Okay, so there were many lorries roaming around the city.
Oh.
Good सवार.
कुछ सवारों का प्रबंध था. कहीं भी ट्रैफिक पुलिस नहीं थी. सारी पुलिस को इसी काम में लगाया गया था.
So they were all performing in that parade and all. There was no traffic police.
प्रबंध का मतलब क्या है?
Arrange. I mean like उसका arrangement हुआ था.
कुछ सवारी అంటే
Good
सवार
savari.
Horse.
like that.
Tanga.
टांगा
or,
वाले का
You can call
దానికి అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఏంటి?
Means-
प्रबंध था. See, maybe for some performances or something they got that. कहीं भी ट्रैफिक पुलिस नहीं थे, so they were not traffic police. सारी पुलिस को इसी काम में लगाया गया था. So in that performance thing
Yeah.
itself, they have appointed those police.
बूढ़े बूढ़े पार्कों तथा मद
बड़े
Bade bade.
ओके सॉरी बड़े बड़े पार्कों तथा मैदानों को पुलिस ने सवेरे से ही घेर लिया था.
घेर दिया था. So morning itself, the
पार्कों
in
అంటే
big park.
Parks.
Park.
ఓ ఓకే.
बड़े बड़े park मतलब in the big parks
Hmm.
तथा मैदान in grounds
Yeah.
also the police have just surrounded that. घेर लिया मतलब surrounded.
Occupied it.
सवेरे सवेरे मतलब in the early morning.
Hmm.
early morning.
Yeah.
Okay. Monument
Can I read?
Yeah, yeah.
मोनोमेट के नीचे जहाँ शाम को सभा होने वाली थी उस जगह को तो भोर में 6 बजे से पुलिस ने बड़ी संख्या में घेर लिया था, पर तब भी कई जगह तो भोर में ही झंडा फहराया गया।
So in the place where the sabha was to be taken place in the evening, so the police for security reasons in the morning itself they have surrounded that
मोनोमेट అంటే
monument.
monuments.
ఓకే మాన్యుమెంట్.
It's an English word itself.
యా
तब भी कई जगहों को बोर से ही झंडा फहराया गया. So they started flying the flags, hoisting the flags at that point in time itself. Okay,
Okay.
I told kites.
पर तब भी कई जगह तो बोर అదే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా అక్కడ నుంచి.
Yeah, sure. Okay, 1 second. So in the morning itself, like in the monument where the sabha was about to take place in the evening, so they have done all of the arrangements and they just surrounded, the police surrounded that from the morning 6 o'clock. Okay.
Hmm.
So even after police surrounding and all of that, also they started to hoist the flag.
ఓకే.
Okay.
ఫెహరాయి అంటే హోస్టింగ్.
Yeah, fehraya matlab it's like hoisting and
Okay.
it's like moving the flags movement. Fehraya. Yeah.
श्रद्धानंद पार्क में बंगाल प्रांतीय विद्यार्थी संघ के मंत्री अविनाश बाबू ने झंडा गाड़ा तो पुलिस ने उनको पकड़ लिया था और लोगों को मारा या हटा दिया.
So in the park, so the name of the park is
Shraddhanand.
Shraddhanand Park.
Okay.
Bengal Pratiya Vidyarthi. So the minister, education minister, right? The minister.
बंगाला बेंगाला.
In Hindi it is called Bengal. Pratiya. Okay, so the minister from Bengal, whose name is Avinash Babu. So what he did was he tried to he hoisted the flag in that park, okay, Shraddhanand Park.
Okay.
And then when he did that, the police caught him.
Why
कि
did
पुलिस ने उनको पकड़ लिया था तथा उन्हें तथा लोग so he the police then started beating the people and
Why?
made them just go away from that place.
We'll know it later.
Yeah, we'll just get to it. But for now, this is what they said कि पुलिस ने उस मिनिस्टर को
प्रांतीय विद्यार्थी संघ అంటే
I think so. Some students of
ఓకే.
okay.
ప్రాంతీయ విద్యార్థి సంఘ అంటే
I think నాకైతే అనిపిస్తుంది ప్రాంతీయ విద్యార్థి means those who are studying in Bengal. With that,
yeah, even I
mantri
think that
came.
it's
A
not
mantri came to host this means to host the flag. I think that one only. Because that time there was no education minister, right?
something else. Bengal
Yeah, Bengal provincial students.
provincial ano.
Yeah,
Bengal provincial
provincial students. Yes.
students. Sangh ante
Some Mantri, a minister came with a long time.
संघ के मंत्री.
No, no, Sang means he came along with them.
Oh, oh. विद्यार्थी संघ, that Bengal प्रांतीय विद्यार्थी संघ, it is something else. के मंत्री.
No, 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 Bengal
See, संघ
Prantya
is the union.
Vidyarthi.
The union.
Huh?
Provincial Union Students
Ah,
Bengal
no.
Provincial Students Union. That is the full form.
Yes, yes.
Sangh ante union.
No, Sang means actually.
Check in Google. This whole thing means Bengal Provincial Students Union. Not education minister, something else. Like education.
Association. Okay.
Yeah, some association.
Okay, okay.
It's a
Means
union.
this union president
Yeah.
came to that
That union's के
posting class.
president, yeah.
हाँ,
तो पुलिस ने उनको पकड़
मारा,
लिया था और
पकड़
लोगों
लिया था
को
और लोगों
मारा
को मार
या
और
हटा
हटा
दिया.
दिया.
बेट देम और रिमूव
Hello. Sorry.
Hi,
हाय.
Sorry.
sorry.
No problem. It's some union, Rashmi, not education minister.
No,
हाँ,
yeah, Vidyarthi Sangh. Yeah, it is say Vidyarthi something related to education. No? So he belongs to that
Yeah,
organization
some
of
students
education.
union.
Yeah,
students.
that's
Yeah.
what I did.
तारा सुंदरी पार्क के में बड़ा बाजार. कांग्रेस कमेटी कांग्रेस कमेटी के युद्ध मंत्री हरिश्चंद्र सिंह झंडा फहराने गए पर वे भीतर न जा सके. वहां पर काफी मारपीट हुए और दो चार आदमियों के सिर फट गए.
सिर्फ
सिर फट
అంటే
गए.
ఏదో కొట్టుంటారు పోలీస్
yeah,
ब्रिटिश पुलिस.
I think so.
तारा सुंदरी पार्क में बड़ा बाजार युद्ध मंत्री. So he was the minister of war minister.
Okay.
Okay,
So his name is Harish Chandra Singh.
okay.
So he went to that Pade Bazaar and he also wanted to hoist the flag, but he was not allowed.
Means
He
he want
couldn't
to
go
go to
inside
that.
that park.
He couldn't go inside. Yeah.
Yeah, he
Okay.
couldn't go
वहां
inside.
पर
And there was
police,
a lot of fighting. बहुत सारी मारपीट हुई. There was lots of fight there. और दो चार आदमियों के सिर फट भी गए. So they got some hurt on their
Head
head.
injury.
या क्योंकि शायद पुलिस उन्हें मार रहे थे ना. तो
हाँ.
गुजराती सेविका संघ की ओर से जुलूस निकला जिसमें बहुत सी लड़कियां थी. उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया.
गिरफ्तार.
हाँ. So गुजराती सेविका संघ.
One more union.
Yeah, Gujarati Sevika. Okay, so the name of that is Gujarati Sevika Sangh. He
Okay.
was saying, so representing that he came
From
से
the-
जुलूस निकला जिसमें
Means-
बहुत it's like a group you can say. लिए
जुलूस निकला।
जुलूस, वन सेकेंड, जिसमें बहुत सी लड़कियां थी, सो देयर वर मेनी गर्ल्स इन दैट,
Okay.
कि उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया, सो दे अरेस्टेड दोस मेनी गर्ल्स आल्सो हु केम फ्रॉम दैट गुजरात सेविका और
Oh.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और
So जुलूस निकला means they went against them.
हाँ, और से जुलूस निकला जिसमें बहुत no,
No,
जुलूस
the part of that
जुलूस
came
में
here उसमें ज्यादातर
बेसिकली लाइक अ ग्रुप,
हाँ,
Group
और उसमें से ज्यादातर लड़कियां थी.
लड़कियां ही.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, got it. One second.
Yeah, yeah, sure. This is like a group of people, you think.
Okay.
I'm not getting
Procession
it.
and another.
Huh?
Procession.
Indeed.
Possession.
Procession.
That.
Meaning julus. Julus.
Huh? Khan of Pashuvik. They kill animals for some holy purpose or anything.
11 बजे. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
11 बजे मारवाड़ी बालिका विद्यालय की.
You know what is procession?
I don't know.
Even I don't.
See, procession is like an organization with lots of people.
Okay.
So it's the same thing,
Yeah,
na,
yeah.
Julus procession. It's the same.
Okay.
11 बजे मारवाड़ी बालिका विद्यालय की लड़कियों. मारवाड़ी बालिका लड़कियों विद्यालय की लड़कियों ने अपने विद्यालय में झंडोत्सव मनाया.
Jandotsav. Yeah.
जानकी देवी मदालसा बजाज नारायण आदि भी गई थी.
Okay.
Okay. I'll explain till there.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know clear. Marwari Bhalika. So the Marwari Bhalika,
School
यानी कि मराठी गर्ल्स
हाँ.
विद्यालय की लड़कियां ने, so students
No,
of
Marwadi means Gujaratis or Rajasthani.
Marwadis
Some part of.
they are from north, I think.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
So
Marwadi is from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Okay, let it be somewhere.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. विद्यालय की लड़कियों ने अपने विद्यालय में झंडोत्सव मनाया. So they wanted to hoist the flag at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
They have, kind of arranged a ceremony.
Okay.
Janki
Janki
Devi.
Devi.
Madalsa.
Janki Devi is her name. Okay? Madalsa Bajaj Narayan. So Janki Devi is her name. Okay.
Okay.
So she also came there. Adi bhi aa gayi thi. So they also attended that particular event. They were ready to hoist. And लड़कियों को उत्सव का क्या मतलब है समझाया गया. So they explained what exactly celebrations mean and all of that. कि क्या होती है उस दिन, क्या क्या celebrate किया जाता है.
Explained.
Okay.
Yeah.
एक
Who
बार
explained?
someone from that school.
Yeah, those people whoever attended, उन्होंने इनको इन लड़कियों को
हाँ.
समझाया.
Okay.
एक बार मोटर में बैठकर सब तरफ घूमकर देखते तो बहुत अच्छा मालूम हो रहा था. जगह जगह फोटो उतर रहे थे.
एक बार मोटर में बैठकर सब तरफ घूमकर देखा तो बहुत अच्छा. Okay, so when they were sitting in that motor and they were moving all around, they felt very good. एक बार मोटर में बैठकर सब तरफ घूमकर देखा तो बहुत अच्छा मालूम हो रहा था. So that I think it's talking about authors. So मोटर में बैठा मोटर इज दैट मोटर कार और एनीथिंग
हम्म
मोटर में बैठकर सो दे सैट एंड या सब तरफ घूमकर देखा तो बहुत अच्छा मालूम हो रहा था सो दे वर फीलिंग रियली गुड अबाउट इट व्हेन दे वर मूविंग इन दैट मोटर
हम्म जगह जगह
जगह
फोटो
जगह
उतर
फोटो
रहे थे।
उतर रहे थे हाँ सो दे वर क्लिकिंग आई मीन लाइक जगह जगह फोटो उतर रहे थे फोटो इज फोटो इटसेल्फ सो
Okay.
जगह जगह फोटो उतर रहे हैं I think they were like clicking pictures or something.
हम्म
Photo उतर रहे
Yeah.
हैं.
నాకు పైలైన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయవా एक बार मोटर में बैठ
हाँ, so they sat like one sitting. It means like एक बार motor car में बैठकर sitting in a motor car, they moved all over the city. You can say all around.
Okay.
घूमकर देखा तो बहुत अच्छा मालूम हो रहा. So they were feeling really good about moving in that motor and seeing all around the.
ఓకే
It's basically talking about CM Sitaram. He was sitting and
Oh.
enjoying all of it.
ఓకే
Yeah, next slide.
अपने भी फोटो
Yeah.
या अपने भी फोटो का कॉपी कॉफी प्रबंध किया था। दो तीन बजे कई आदमियों को पकड़ लिया गया।
Okay. So even he made quite arrangements for his photo also. अपने भी फोटो का काफी प्रबंध किया. So even he did quite a lot of arrangements for
Okay.
his photos too. Okay.
ఓకే
2-3 बजे कई आदमियों को पकड़ लिया गया. So at 2 to 3 o'clock, at that point of time, many men were caught.
ఓ
आदमी मतलब men. वो
Okay.
पकड़ लिया गया. So they were caught. Now why were they caught? Let's see.
जिसमें मुख्य पूर्णोदास और पुरुषोत्तम राय थे।
So these were the two people who were mainly caught in that. So who was that? Purundas and Purushottam. Okay.
ఓకే
Purundas and Purushottam.
राय थे అంటే they were the person.
Rai and that name.
Title.
Purushottam Rai.
Oh, Purushottam Rai is that name.
Yeah.
One of the person's name and the other is Purundas.
Okay.
So they were also caught. Is what they're trying to say.
ఓకే
सुभाष बाबू के जुलूस का भार पूर्णोदास पर था, पर ये प्रबंध कर चुका था। स्त्री समाज अपनी तैयारी में लगा था।
हाँ, सुभाष बाबू के जुलूस का भार पुरुषों पर था. So the group or that procession, जुलूस is that right? So सुभाष बाबू का जो भी group था या फिर procession था, अब उसका responsibility, उसका भार यानी कि उसका responsibility या फिर arrangement पुरुंदोस पर था, पर वो प्रबंध कर चुका था. So he had made that arrangement. Basically, the procession which belonged to Subhash Babu is now of Purandas.
Okay.
That responsibility पर था और वो प्रबंध कर चुका था. And he made all the arrangements for it also.
Okay. स्त्री समाज अपनी तैयारी में लगा था.
So even that women, the society where women, like society of women, अपनी तैयारी में लगे थे. So they were also engaged in the arrangement.
ఓకే
Or preparation, you can say anything, तैयारी. Okay.
यस
Okay, next time.
जगह जगह से स्त्रियों अपना जुलूस निकालने की तथा ठीक स्थान पर पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रही थी.
So they were also, the women were also trying to go from one place to another place at right time with their procession. maybe like they have some work like to hoist the flag here or to do
Oh,
some arrangements here, but they were all over police occupied and
They are
घेरे हुए
trying
थे
to.
ना, तो वो भी कोशिश कर रहे कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपनी पूरी प्रोसेशन के साथ, अपनी पूरी जुलूस के साथ निकलने के लिए वो कोशिश कर रहे
okay.
मॉन्यूमेंट के पास जैसा प्रबंध भोर में था वैसा करीब 1 बजे नहीं रहा। हेलो।
हैं। हाँ,
Hmm.
या मॉन्यूमेंट के पास जैसे प्रबंध भोर में था वैसे करीब 1 बजे नहीं रहा। So the arrangements which were which took place, it was not the same now at 1 o'clock when they saw it was not the same.
Okay, that before monument
हाँ, जो भी
situation
arrangements थे वो अब वैसे नहीं रहे।
means खराब हो गए थे।
No,
Hello.
Yeah,
all the people left, I guess.
yeah, I think so. Even I think the same.
Mhm.
And even our arrangements also, police might have destroyed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think so.
Both things.
Hmm.
Yeah. इससे लोगों को आशा होने लगी कि शायद पुलिस अपना र-
Um,
रंग न
hmm.
दिखलावे पर वह कब रुकने वाली थी।
Means
1 second।
okay.
मॉन्यूमेंट के पास जैसे प्रबंध भोर में था वैसा करीब 1 बजे नहीं रहा।
Means no, there were no.
What all was done
The
before and
people might have left there from there. I think not the arrangements, but the people might have left.
yeah.
Yeah,
Bore అంటే means ఏంటి అవి crowd Yeah.
भोर में था वैसा करीब, I'm getting confused here. See, we understood that monument के पास जैसे प्रबंध भोर में था वैसा करीब 1 बजे नहीं रहा। So the thing whatever arrangement was there, अब 1 बजे में वो वैसा नहीं रहा जो पहले था। So that's what it means.
Okay.
See, the monument का जो भी arrangement था जो पहले था अब वो 1 o'clock में वैसा नहीं रहा।
Oh.
1 बजे नहीं रहा, हाँ, था वैसे करीब 1 बजे नहीं रहा।
Means it changed or it's different means what they're trying to
वैसा
do.
नहीं रहा, that's what they told me. It's not like that. Now let's see, was it good or was it bad or
Okay.
yeah. Okay, can you read from the next one?
Yeah, I read this one.
इससे
हाँ, इससे लोगों को आशा होने लगी कि शायद पुलिस अपना रंग ना दिखलावे पर वह कब रुकने वाली थी। So this made people feel that the police
They won't show their color.
Yeah, show their color in the sense वो अपने actions को नहीं दिखाएंगे, पर वह कब रुकने वाली थी।
But they'll keep on doing.
हाँ, पर वो कब रुकने वाली थी। So it रंग ना दिखलावे पर वो कब रुकने वाली थी। So when are they going to stop? शायद पुलिस अपना रंग ना दिखलावे पर वो कब रुकने वाली थी। So it was not clear कि कब वो पुलिस रुकने वाले हैं इन सारे काम करने से। So when are they going to stop doing all of this?
Can I continue? 3 बजे से ही मैदान में हजारों आदमियों की भीड़ होने लगी और लोग तालियां बना बनाकर मैदान में घूमने लगे। आज
So
जो
one
बात
second, let's just put it here. इस ओके सो शायद पुलिस अपना रंग ना निकलवाए पर वो कब रुकने वाले हैं सो इट्स लाइक बेसिकली दे ट्राइंग टू से दैट कि ये पुलिस कब ये सारा शो ऑफ और अपना ये ऐसे मारना लोगों को कब रुकेंगे 3 बजे से ही मैदान में हजारों आदमियों की भीड़ होने लगी so from 3 o'clock itself there were many men like thousands of men there was a huge crowd okay
Yeah.
yeah you can continue
और लोग टोलियां बना बनाकर मैदान में घूमने लगे। आज जो बात थी वह निराली थी।
so what is Tolia
Some food item, ना?
no what do you think
Gang,
huh
gang, group,
yeah correct exactly very good. So there were many people
many
right?
groups.
So छोटे छोटे groups बना के मैदान में बस घूमने they were like roaming in that
Okay.
ground आज जो बात थी वो निराली थी so whatever happened today is quite unique or different
और डिप्रेसिंग, हाँ? निराली
no
అంటే
निराली
यूनिक,
मतलब कुछ अलग सा until it's something different or you can say uniqueness कुछ ऐसा था
ओके।
अभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ
Rare, yeah.
Follow it. I'm a part of it. Okay. Rishika ఉన్నావా
ఉన్నా
okay so they're just telling that whatever today happened was quite unique और कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ rare
अब से
Okay.
कानून भंग का काम शुरू हुआ है, तब से आज तक इतनी बड़ी सभा ऐसे मैदान में नहीं की गई थी। और यह सभा तो कहना चाहिए कि ओपन लड़ाई थी। सभा అంటే
Sabha is like you know Sabha
Event,
meeting, you can call it meeting.
मीटिंग।
हाँ See, Sabha could be Rajya Sabha, you can say, like, you know, gatherings
Assembly.
or some important, yeah, you can say something.
ओके।
Okay, जब से कानून भंग का काम शुरू हुआ था, okay, what is कानून? This you must be knowing.
ब्लड।
Uh-huh. कानून is not blood.
देन व्हाट्स ब्लड?
Blood is रक्त. Cool, that's
हाँ,
cool.
ओके, या।
You got confused between
Yeah.
कानून and cool. Rishika,
एक्ट,
Connection.
एक्ट,
हाँ?
एक्ट।
कानून is law or act. You can say it's
Yeah.
law. Yeah,
Law.
कानून मतलब yeah, law.
सम रूल,
So
या।
जब से कानून भंग का काम शुरू हो गया तो people started breaking laws भंग करना का काम शुरू हुआ तब से आज तक इतनी बड़ी सभा ऐसे
भंग मीनिंग అంటే?
भंग is like उसको भंग करना not following और
ओके।
इतनी बड़ी सभा ऐसे मैदान में नहीं की गई so there was no such big gathering और इतनी बड़ी सभा कभी नहीं हुई थी आज तक और यह सभा तो कहना चाहिए कि ओपन लड़ाई थी हाँ it felt as if it was like a open fight not like a gathering for discussion but it felt as if it was a opening fight ये मीटिंग जो भी हो रहा था it felt as if ये एक open fight है it's an English word itself open
Yeah.
लड़ाई थी open fight ऋषिका ఉన్నావా
हेलो ऋषिका।
hello ऋषिका
हेलो। वेट एंड
We do this paragraph and stop it, okay? Till
This
नहीं
one, huh?
की गई थी. हाँ, till नहीं की गई.
Okay.
And then we'll continue tomorrow or Sunday.
Yeah.
We'll finish it off by next day, I think. Until
Yeah, only 2 classes enough, right?
yeah, enough. Rishika,
She said wait 5 minutes.
कर चेक
Yeah, can we start?
जब से कानून అక్కడి వరకు విన్నాను అది నుంచి ఒకసారి
Okay,
మళ్ళీ
जब से कानून को.
Yeah.
जब से कानून बम का काम शुरू हुआ तो तब से ओके सो जब से जो कानून जो
That
law
law,
थे, वो प्रिंट हो गए थे तो तब से लेके आज तक इतनी बड़ी सभा कभी नहीं हुआ था.
Okay.
और आज हुआ लेकिन क्या हुआ वो एक ओपन लड़ाई थी. सो जो भी गैदरिंग था जो भी मीटिंग था
It was
वो
more like an
ऐसा
open
लग
fight.
रहा है मोर देन
Argument.
इट वाज लाइक आर्गुमेंट और कि वो एक ओपन फाइट.
Yeah.
Yeah.
पुलिस कमिश्नर का नोटिस निकल चुका था कि अमुक अमुक धारा के अनुसार कोई सभा नहीं हो सकती.
हाँ, so
Means?
okay, that's why. 1 second. The notice of the police came कि उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो कि क्या so they just mention something और जो भी clause था, you know what is a clause, right? एक clause था उसमें कि ऐसा कोई मीटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. So एक basically the police commissioner had given order to them और उसमें एक ऐसा clause था कि such clause था कि कोई मीटिंग नहीं हो सकती है.
Means
अमुक
no
अमुक
meeting
धारा
should be.
मतलब क्या है?
अमुक अमुक धारा के अनुसार यानी कि so and
आसपास.
so अमुक अमुक मतलब so and so धारा के धारा is like clause.
According to that, yeah.
हाँ,
कोई
कोई
सभा
सभा
नहीं
नहीं
हो
हो सकती. So there should be no gathering or meeting
Gathering
or this meeting. You can say meeting. सभा को meeting कह सकते हो.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा कुछ meeting नहीं होनी चाहिए उसके अकॉर्डिंग.
जो लोग काम करने
Okay.
वाले थे उन सबको इंस्पेक्टरों के द्वारा नोटिस और सूचना दे दी गई थी कि आप यदि सभा में भाग लेंगे तो दोषी समझ. ओके, इफ यू मेक
If you attend the meeting, then you will be treated guilty. Yeah, so you will be
Yeah.
treated guilty
Yeah.
and दोषी माने जाएंगे यानी कि आपको गिल्टी माना चाहिए. ओके.
Yeah.
तो किसने ये नोटिस उन तक पहुंचाया? इंस्पेक्टरों ने. इंस्पेक्टरों की द्वारा थ्रू देम ये नोटिस और ये मैसेज सबको
Means कमिश्नर का नोटिस इंस्पेक्टर्स के द्वारा
Yeah.
हाँ या उन तक पहुंचा गया कि अगर आप लोग ये मीटिंग अटेंड करोगे तो आपको दोषी माने जाएंगे. That you will be treated guilty.
ओके.
Okay.
इधर काउंसिल की तरफ से नोटिस निकल गया था कि मॉन्यूमेंट के नीचे ठीक 4:24 पर झंडा फहराया जाएगा तथा स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिज्ञा पढ़ी जाएगी.
हाँ, so according to
Council,
the notice,
yeah.
from the council that the flag would be hoisted at
440.
4:40.
4:24 అంటే 4 అయిపోయి 40 minutes.
40 minutes,
4:40 టైంలో झंडा फहराया जाएगा. So that means the flag तथा स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिज्ञा पढ़ी जाएगी. So the pledge, प्रतिज्ञा यानी कि pledge. So a pledge would be told.
Okay.
सर्वसाधारण की उपस्थिति होनी चाहिए। खुला चैलेंज देकर ऐसी सभा पहले नहीं की गई थी।
हाँ, सात सर्वसाधारण की
Means
उपस्थिति होनी
ordinary
चाहिए। So
people.
या कॉमन मैन जो भी है उनका भी प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए।
ओके।
Okay.
खुला ओपन फाइट
चैलेंज
या
देकर, हाँ, कभी
ऐसी सभा पहले नहीं की गई।
yeah, so there was never such a meeting which was held like giving an open challenge itself like that.
Oh.
Okay, so we'll continue later.
Yeah.